Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales, and today I'm going to be doing like a how to get glam in 5 minutes kind of video. Not 5 minutes, like more like 10 minutes. How to look natural and glam at the same time. I don't really know what I'm going to caption this, but this is basically my new updated everyday makeup tutorial because I do this every day and I just uploaded the everyday makeup tutorial, so I'm not going to upload another one because the one I uploaded was at the time what I was doing and now I changed it up. But today I'm going to be using different products other than my everyday makeup products. So it's just going to be a how to look glam and natural at the same time. So basically a tip I have is to get some self tanner and an eyeliner brush and give yourself some fake freckles because that's what I did. And babe, let me tell you, I don't even have to wear face makeup anymore. I only have to wear concealer in my red areas and I don't even have to do that. It just makes me look better. But I'm going to take off my eyebrows because I slept in these, which is not good, but I still have some leftover makeup on because I just slept in them. So I slept in my makeup, which is bad, but I don't even wear that much makeup, so it's a little different. And I actually do be sleeping in my eyelashes. I don't know how they stay on. I guess it's because my lash glue is like so balmy. But yeah, so I need to get some more makeup wipes. So I'm gonna have to go to Ross. Isn't Ross closed? Yes. So I have some acne, well, a pimple. I have a pimple right here. It's been there for a while and I hate it. I hate it. I don't know how to get rid of it. I don't know. Okay, so the first step is using primer. So we're gonna use some primer. The primer I'm gonna use today is the Hello Fab First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So this is a moisturizer and kind of like a primer, so I just use it. I did not need this much, but since it's a moisturizer it's fine because my skin is kind of dry right now because I haven't done my skincare in like 2 days, which is not good. Next I go into my concealer. The concealer I prefer is the Morphe concealer and I use the shade C1.35. And this is like the perfect color for me. And I just have a mini beauty blender right here that I use. This one is from Morphe. Oops, I did not know I had moisturizer there. So I just go ahead and put it in the places where I have red spots or like under eye circles. And I don't put too much. And then I go ahead and buff this in. I don't really need to get this beauty blender wet because it's like not for foundation, it's just for concealer. So also my lips are really dry, don't judge me. They're always just super dry. I know I should like use a lip scrub and stuff, but I just haven't done it. So I guess I could call this light glam or natural glam tutorial. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. Now I'm gonna use a different color than what I've been usually using. I'm gonna use ebony today. And this is a different brush. I just like cut it. It was from my BoxyCharm, but I cut it to make it thinner. Yo, I don't know if I can use ebony. Maybe I'll add in some ebony, but for right now, we're gonna use medium brown. I wasn't even in focus, was I? Let me zoom myself in. Okay. So now for brows. Bro, am I even in focus? I can't see that far. Okay, so for brows, what I do is just dip my thing in my pomade, take off the excess. And then I brush my brows up And then I start at the arch and I draw strokes from the bottom going up. Like that. And then I slowly make it to the front. And then you get the excess and you just draw a line underneath all that to connect it. And voila, you have yourself a brow. Okay, so the last step to the brows, I know they're not even like at all, but I use this Morphe brow gel. It's clear. And I just brush them up so I can have like fluffy brows. And this side probably looks darker because I have a ring light on this side. So yeah. Okay, let me make sure these are not too brushed out. Yeah, no, they look fine. Okay, next step is eyeliner. The eyeliner I use is the NYX That's the Point Professional Makeup eyeliner. Anyway, I'm gonna zoom y'all in of me doing my eyeliner. I do this pretty quick and easy because we're gonna put lashes over it, so it's gonna look way better. So I just make a line going to the end of my brow. And then I go pretty much from the end all the way to the inner of my eye. Sometimes it do be getting messed up. Then I go all the way to the inner corner. And then I just fill it in. And there you go. That is your eyeliner. And then it'll have to be completely even again because the the lashes are gonna cover it. Speaking of lashes, we're gonna go get some lashes. Okay, so I got me some lashes here. These are the 327s by Dote, and I already cut this one apparently. So now I just have to cut the other one. I'm going to use my House of Lashes eyelash glue. So I have a really tiny House of Lashes eyelash glue because they ran out of the big one. So, and I needed eyelash glue. So I'm just going to put this onto the lashes. And then we will put the lashes on my face. If you're gonna get eyelash glue, I suggest you get this eyelash glue. It is very inexpensive. It's like $7 for a regular size bottle. That might actually be a lot, but it's the best eyelash glue. Or if you don't have money for a $7 eyelash glue, make sure the eyelash glue you're using has latex in it. Okay, we got a lash on. And if you don't have fake freckles or self-tanner, or if you have freckles or if you don't have freckles, you can just draw them on and you won't have to put face makeup on unless your skin is just breaking out or you have a bunch of redness and you can't just use concealer. Then you can use foundation, but try to use as minimal foundation as possible because it just looks so much better when it looks natural but like also not natural. So the fake freckles will make it look natural. But the fake freckles also cover up imperfections. Okay, so I have the eyelashes on and I don't do any lipstick because it makes it look even more natural with no lipstick. And you can do a gloss though if you really want to. I suggest the Fenty gloss. Any of their glosses, they're all universals. So, I mean, I think they're all universal. I'm not sure. I know one is at least. Okay, now we do bottom mascara. My favorite mascara at the moment is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. And I have been using this, so I'm just going to put that on my bottom lashes. I don't even put them on the top lashes because when you take photos, you really cannot see. Do my bottom eyelashes, trying not to hit the bottom of my eye, which will probably happen. And I don't put powder on or anything. Okay. So that is literally the look. I might straighten my hair. I'm not really sure, but I might straighten my hair. But that is my natural makeup tutorial. You can add some blush right here, but I'm not gonna. I usually don't add blush, so I'm not gonna add blush today. But yeah, that is like the simple glam. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. Follow all my socials, they'll be in the description down below. Make sure to listen to I Miss You on Spotify, and follow my Snapchat, which is H4LEY Morales. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.